Hello students, in our last class we studied about delegation and its elements, and in today's class we are going to do importance of delegation. So importance of delegation, why do we need this delegation, and what is the requirement and relevance of delegation, and if delegation wasn't there, what would have been the consequences or result of in an organization. That is what we are going to study in the importance of delegation. So the importance of delegation, we have certain points, that is 6 points. Study that. First one, effective management. Second one, employee development. The third one, motivation of employees. The fourth one, facilitation of growth. The fifth one is basis of management hierarchy, and the sixth one is better coordination. So these are the points of relevance or importance of delegation, and why do we need delegation. So we'll study this one by one. The first one is effective management. Delegation helps management to concentrate on the core activities, and the routine work is taken care by the subordinates. This helps the management to increase their efficiency. Yes, of course. So management, when the top level management delegates authority to the lower level or middle level management, to the subordinates, then the burden of that routine task, the burden of certain work is reduced on the management side, and management can concentrate more on core activities, important activities, rather than routine activities, because routine activities will be delegated, and the subordinates will take care of the routine activities. And this is what happens, effective management takes place, and there will be increase in efficiency. That is what is effective management through delegation. Next importance is employee development. Yes, delegation empowers the employees by providing them with opportunities to use their skills and gain experience and develop themselves for higher positions. Yes, here what happens is, when higher level or you can say superiors delegate authority to the subordinates have more chances of developing their skill, their initiative, their innovation and their ideas, and to gain more and more experience and to develop themselves, and they can become future managers, and that is what is called as, they can develop themselves for higher position. They have the opportunity for becoming future managers because of delegation, because delegation gives the subordinates opportunity to empower themselves. Next importance is motivation of employees. Yes, delegation helps in developing the talents and skills of the employees. It also gives them psychological benefits. Responsibility of work builds the self-esteem of an employee and motivates him to work hard and perform his best. Yes, motivation of employees is very much there and present when you are delegating. So delegation helps in developing talents and skills of the employees, because routine task is delegated, authority is delegated from the superior to the subordinate. So this gives the subordinates or the employees more and more chance to develop themselves, and it gives a feeling of pride, it gives a feeling of confidence, it gives a feeling of self-esteem to every employee, and this will further motivate the employee to work hard and to give their best for the organization. So this is what is motivation of employees is very much possible only through delegation. Next one is, it facilitates the growth of the organization. So facilitation of growth, delegation helps in the expansion and growth of the organization, because trained and experienced employees play a very important and significant role in starting a new project and expand the branches of the business. Yes, so facilitation of growth means delegation helps in the growth and expansion of the organization, because you have very well experienced and trained and skilled and high ability employees who play a very important role in the organization. So that is why new projects, new branches will be introduced, and this will help in expanding the branches of the business, and this is what is called as facilitation of growth, and this is possible only when there is delegation in any organization. So expansion and growth is very much possible because there is spread, there is, you can say, expansion of projects and branches, and that is why it facilitates the growth and expansion of the organization. The next importance is the basis of management hierarchy. Yes, delegation of authority establishes superior subordinate relationship. which are the basis of hierarchy of management. It also clarifies who has to report to whom. Yes, so basis, the foundation, the base of management hierarchy, that is the top level, the scalar chain, the middle level and the lower level, the management levels are all decided only through delegation, because it gives a clear picture of the superior and subordinate relationship, which is the foundation of every hierarchy of management. And it also gives a clear picture who has to report to whom, who has to give orders to whom. Everything is very clear when you are delegating. So that is why it becomes delegation is the basis of management hierarchy. Next one is better coordination. So the elements of delegation we have already studied in our previous class, that is authority, that is power, responsibility, that is duty or obligation, and accountability, that is answerability. All these three elements will help in coordination amongst various levels of management, that is top level, middle level and supervisory level. Departments, it may be purchase department, it may be marketing department, it may be accounts department and all the other finance department, etc. And the functions of management, that is planning, organizing, directing, staffing, controlling, etc. All these together will come together, will be integrated together, will be united together. Everybody's efforts, every operation, every activity in an organization will be put together in order to achieve the objective of the organization, and that is what is called as better coordination. So delegation is one very important element of organizing wherein better coordination takes place. So therefore we can conclude, dear students, delegation is a key element in effective organizing. So delegation should be there if you want a well organized organization. So that is what is in effective organizing, you need delegation. I hope you have understood today's class, dear students. In our next class, we'll study about the decentralization, centralization and decentralization and its importance. I hope you have understood today's class. Thank you.